In this episode, I explore Palm Beach in the north part of Sydney. I get up on different rocks, go running on the beach, fly my drone over the water. It's early in the morning in Sydney, Australia, and I'm on my way up to Palm Beach, located 40 kilometers north from downtown Sydney. The bus ride takes about 2 hours up there.
You're gonna see it in a few seconds.
Palm Beach is one of many famous beaches in an area called the Northern Beaches, which is a coastal suburb of Sydney in the state of New South Wales.
It's pretty hot here. It's probably, I would say, 30 degrees.
The beach is a few kilometers long, and at the end of the hike, you will get into smaller sand trails. Eventually, there is a trail that takes you up the mountain.
Choose between the access trail and the smuggler's track. I'm gonna choose the smuggler's track.
On the west side of Palm Beach, there is another beach, but the water is not nearly as clear on that side.
Over there, it's that rock. Check it out. Side of Ireland, having some lunch with an amazing view. Back in the wind. Back to the beach again. Got away from all the sand.
Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this episode. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.